welcome back to my channel. So I've received a lot of requests regarding garaj tutorial. So here is the video for it. Hope you all enjoy it. So let's get started. I've tuned my violin in D Shruti. Second string D. First string A. Third string A, fourth string D. So it's in D Shruti. Okay. So the introduction is I'm playing the Re or Re 2 with pinky finger. It is Ni 2. Ni sa 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 Re sa 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 sa. Pa sa sa ni sa. Pa sa sa ni sa Re sa sa ni sa. Repeat it 2 times. So that's introduction. Then let's move on to the song. So this is the portion that we are going to learn next. We have Garaj garaj pa 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 ni pa ma pa. Pa pa with our middle finger on the second string. Next one is ni pa ma pa. On the first string if we play, it will be our ni 1. Ni pa ma pa, but it will be better if you could play it on the second string itself with our middle and ring finger together. Ni 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 pa ma pa 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 ni pa ma pa. Sa sa ni pa. From pa, slide it to sa. Ni pa, slide it down. Pa ma pa ni pa. So pa ga ni pa. Mari mari with index finger. Mari mari. Sa ni sa on the third string. Sa ni sa. Sa ni sa mari. So the next one. Mari, 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 ni, sa. Ri, ma, pa, ni, pa, ma, pa. Ni, pa, ma, pa. Same ni 1. Next one we have to reach the higher octave. Pa, ri, ri. Ri, ri, ga. Ga, ri, sa. Ni, sa. If we play that in the lower octave, it will sound like re pa ma pa, re pa ma pa. It's actually ga ban. That is a sadharana gantara. We play. Three times. Ma ga re za re za. Ma ga re za re za. Ni ma pa. Ni sa. Ni one first, then ni two second. Sa. So now let's learn the most awaiting part, swara part. Pa ma pa ni pa ma pa. I'm playing the ni, which is our ni one, with the pinky finger on the second string itself. Pa ma pa ni pa ma pa. This one I'm crossing the string. Re ma pa ni pa. Next one. Repeat that pa ni pa ma pa. Pa ma pa ni pa ma pa. Ni pa ma ma. Re ma pa ni pa. So those two together. Next one. Pa ma ni pa. Pa ma ni pa. Sa ni ma pa. These are all ni one. Pa ma ni pa, sa ni ma pa. On the third string we have pa ni, which is a ni two. Pa ni sa re. Ni sa re ma. Next one. Re ma pa ni. Again ni one. Ma pa ni two sa. So here pa ni sa re and ni sa re ma. Re ma pa ni one. Ma pa ni two sa. Pa ni two sa re. Again I'm playing the upper re with the pinky finger. Pa ni two sa re. Pa ma ni sa. So the whole part together. Let's move to the next portion, which is actually pretty simple, but you need to practice it to make that clear. It goes like this. We are playing the same one section 3 times. So the swaram is ni 2 on the third string. Ni za re ma ma ni za. I'm playing that ma as Janta will say, like ma Gama. Same Re Ma Pa Ni Ni Ni. That Ni one I'm playing it as Chanta version. Ni 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 Pa Ma. Those two together. Re Ma 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 Di Sa Re Ma Pa Ni Ni Pa Ma. Pa Ni Tu Sa Re. The pinky finger Re. Pa Ni Tu Sa Re Ni Re Sa Ni. Pa Ni one Pa Ma Re Sa. Pa Ni Tu Sa Re Ni Re Sa Ni. Pa Ni one Pa Ma Re Sa. This is actually very simple. We need to practice it slowly, then increase the speed step by step, like this. This is how you practice. Practice it slowly, then increase the speed gradually. Then we have the same as the intro. Garaj, garaj. Here we have a different portion. We are playing Sa, Ni one, Ni two, Ni Sa, Ni two, Ni one. Pa pa ni ba ba sa sa ni ni. Mari mari ni pa. So mari mari ni pa na ni